Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Explain Maths. Hope you all must be preparing for your Bitsat exam for the second attempt. So in this video I am going to give few questions which was based on the pattern which came in the Bitsat first attempt. So I have taken input from some of the students and they have told like there were many series based of questions. Then there was chart logic question, there was analogy based of questions. So I've tried to cover few questions based on that. So please watch the video till end and I'm sure that the video is going to be very helpful for you all. So this is the chart logic question. So here you have to find the missing number. So in these type of question, first you have to find a relation between the numbers which is given here. So relation you can form either row wise or column wise. So if you see 16, 11 and 13, there is no relation between the columns, isn't it? So we can see for the rows 16, 21 and then it is given as 185 and here is 13, 17 and then it is given as 120. Okay, so if I multiply 16 and 21, I will not get 185, isn't it? So multiplication I can rule out. Now next, if I try here 16 and 21, if I add 16 plus 21, if I add, I am going to get 37. And if I subtract 21 and 16, I am going to get 5. And if I multiply this, then I am going to get 185. So let's try the same logic for third column. Okay, so first I will add 13 plus 17 will give me 30 and 17 minus 30 will give me 4 and if I multiply I am getting 120. So same way let's try for the second column. So 11 minus 9 if I do 11 minus 9 will give me 2 and 11 plus 9 will give me 20 and if I multiply 2 and 20 I am getting 40. So the correct answer is 40. Okay, now move to next question. Now question number 2, what will come in place of question mark in the given series? So the series is given, you have to find the next number after 77. Okay, so first let's write the series which is given here. Now let us find some relation between the given numbers. So if you see here 2 and 7, isn't it? Now 2 table 7 doesn't come, isn't it? But if you multiply 2 with 3 and then add 1. So 2 3s are 6 plus 1 will give 7. 7 same way 7 into 3 is 21 and in 21 if you add 3 you are getting 24. Again 24 plus into 3 if you do 24 into 3 is 72 and 72 plus 5 is 77. So if you can see here, whatever number is given, first you have to multiply by 3. So here also in 77, first you will multiply by 3 and then what is to be added, you have to see here you are adding a odd number starting from 1. So first you are adding 1, then 3, then 5. So next will be 7. So 77 into 3 if you do, so 7 into 3, 21. So 1 carry 2. 7 3s are 21 plus 2, 231 plus 7. This gives you 238. So A is the correct option. Okay. Now question 3. A series is given with one term missing. Select the correct alternatives from the given ones that will complete the series. And this is the series given. Now if you look at the series very carefully, actually it is made up of two series. The first series is 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, where if you find the difference between uh, between the two numbers, you can see it is 3. So 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8. So series goes like this. And the another one is 3, 9, 27, 81 and so on. So in the first series, you are adding 3 and you are getting the next number, isn't it? And in the second series, you are multiplying by 3. So 3 into 3 is 9, 9 into 3 is 27, 27 into 3 is 81. So 81 into 3, we will get 243. So the correct option is option D. Now if you must be wondering that how I am able to find out the series so quickly. So it is just practice. So if you practice more and more varieties of question, it will become easier and you can do these type of questions very quickly in the exam. Okay, so practice only is the ultimate solution for finding out the series easily and quick. Now question number 5. Study the given pattern carefully and select the number that can replace the question mark here. Okay, so here it is given in three numbers are given in three rows 23, 32, 16 and then 3, 4 and 5. So there is some relation between the first, second and third rows that you have to find out. So if I add 23 and 3, I'll not get 72. I'll not get the number which is near to 72 also. But if I multiply 23 and 3, I will get 69, isn't it? So if I multiply 23 and 3, I am getting 69. And in 69, how much I will add to get 72? That is plus 3. Same way 32 into 4 is 128. And here I have to add 4. Here 16 into 5 is 80. Okay, so let's add here. See, it is even number, it is increasing. First you have to add 3, then 4. Now next is 5. So here 85 will come. So 85 is the correct answer. Now next question. Okay, in a certain code language, labor is coded as 279, Excel is coded as 321. How will cautious be coded in that language? So first of all, you keep the alphabetical list ready. Now here the order I have given in both the ways, forward direction and backward direction, because sometimes I have seen that the pattern will be like from the backward direction. So I have written here both. Now labor, if you see the alphabetical orders in the forward direction, by considering A as 1. When I added the number for all, like L is in 12th place, A is in 1 place, and like that I got 69. But I'm not able to find any relation between 69 and 279. So now let's take the reverse order. So from there I got my sum as 93, and when I did 93 into 3, I got 279. So this is one of the possibility. Now same with Excel, when I have written, I got the sum as 107, and when I multiplied it by 3, I got 321. The same pattern will follow for cautious also. Here also I got sum as 107, but if I multiply here by 3, again I will get 321. But 321 is not in the option. So where it goes wrong now? So if you can see here in the word labor, there are 3 vowels. That's why they multiplied with 3. In the word exhale also there are 3 vowels, so they multiplied by 3. Now in the word cautious, if you see, there are 5 vowels, A, I, A, U, I, O, U. So let's multiply this by 5 and see. So when you multiply by 5, you are going to get 535. So from there we can say A is the correct option. Select the term that is related to the third term in the same way as second term is related to the first term. So you have to find the relation first. So first of all, if you see here B, D and F, if you see the alphabetical order, B is in the second place, D is in the fourth place and F is in the sixth place. So if you add 2, 4 and 6, you will get only 12. It is not 48, isn't it? And if you multiply all, 2 into 4 into 6, so 2 4s are 8, 8 6 are 48. So same way you have to try here also F, H and J. So F is in the 6th place, H is in the 8th place and J is in the 10th place. So if you multiply all the three, 6 8s are 48, 48 into 10, 480. So A will be the correct answer.